Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sadia Hassan and this is my midterm presentation. I'm from BS Physics and today for this presentation my topic is chemistry of scrubs. First of all, we should see the table of content. We will discuss here scrub, uses of scrub, exfoliation, benefits of exfoliation, types and manufacturing of chemical exfoliants, its composition, its advantages and disadvantages. First of all, we should know what is scrub. A semi-abrasive cosmetic lotion applied to the face or body in order to cleanse the skin is known as scrub. Scrubs are physical exfoliants that mechanically slough away dead skin cells. The feel of a scrub typically comes from a combination of sugar and salt that is suspended in an oil base. While some scrubs contain coarse salt and sugar particles, higher quality varieties are formulated with fine premium particles that polish skin without being abrasive. So here we know that scrub is something that clean our face or body and removes the dead cells to make it shiny and to make it more beautiful. Secondly, here is uses of scrub. For what purpose scrub is used? A body scrub is a popular body treatment that is basically a facial for the body. It exfoliates and hydrates your skin, leaving it smooth and soft. Next, what is exfoliation? Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin using a chemical, granular substance, or exfoliation tool. Your skin naturally sheds dead cells to make room for new cells every 30 days or so. Sometimes dead cells don't shed completely. Here, some are the benefits of exfoliation. First of all, it unclogs pores. Firstly, when you are exfoliating your skin, you are effectively unclogging your pores. Secondly, it prevents acne. Third, it helps other skincare products penetrate deeper. And fourth, it evens skin tone better. Actually, when we do exfoliation, it removes all the dead skin cells and the other skincare products will penetrate deeper and they will work properly to our skin. Here are types of exfoliation. There are two types of exfoliation. First, chemical exfoliation, and the second one is mechanical exfoliation. They both share the same goals: cleaning dead skin cells, help skin speed cell turnover, and leaving skin brighter and smoother, but go about it in different ways. First of all, chemical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliants are acids that get rid of dead skin cells. They come in various concentrations. They work by breaking the bonds that hold skin cells together. As those bonds are broken, the top layer of the skin cells shed, revealing generated skin. With regular use, skin feels smoother and looks more even in tone. Pores are unclogged and signs of aging may be less apparent. Here are types of chemical exfoliants. There are three main types of chemical exfoliants. All are acids, but some are gentler and less penetrative than others. First type is alpha hydroxy acids. Alpha hydroxy acids includes the likes of glycolic, lactic, citric, and malic acid. They tend to come from fruits but can also be produced synthetically. With the ability to dissolve in water, they work on the surface of the skin to improve its texture. Glycolic and lactic acids are commonly used as trusted source alpha hydroxy acids in skincare. Beta hydroxy acids. This is the second type of chemical exfoliants. Beta hydroxy acids are oil soluble, so they can penetrate your pores as well as work on the skin surface. These deeper working acids not only benefit skin texture but also unclog pores and remove acne causing sebum. Here are examples of beta hydroxy acids. Examples of beta hydroxy acids include salicylic acid and tropic acid. Third one is polyhydroxy acids. Polyhydroxy acid work in a similar way to alpha hydroxy acids. The difference is that polyhydroxy acid molecules are larger, so they cannot penetrate as deeply. This is why they are viewed as less irritating trusted source than other chemical exfoliants. Although they don't go as deep, polyhydroxy acid like gluconolactone and lactobinic acid have additional hydrating and antioxidant benefits. Here is the manufacturing of chemical exfoliants. Chemical exfoliants contain chemicals. The following acids can be used to treat these common skin concerns across each skin type, and we have already discussed them. Azelaic acid, carbolic acid, citric acid, galactose, gluconolactone, glycolic, lactic, lactobinic, malic, mandelic, retinoic, salicylic, and tartaric. How to know which type should be used? Alpha hydroxy acids are often used to improve skin tone and mild area of discoloration. Beta hydroxy acids, on the other hand, are ideal for oily or acne-prone skin due to their pore unclogging properties. If you have highly sensitive skin, a less intrusive polyhydroxy acid exfoliant may be the route to go down. Here is the second type of exfoliation. First was chemical exfoliation and the second is mechanical exfoliation. This process involves physically scrubbing the skin with an abrasive. Mechanical exfoliants include microfiber cloths, adhesive exfoliant sheets, microbead facial scrubs, crepe paper, crushed apricot kernel or almost shells, sugar or salt crystals, and abrasive materials such as sponges, brushes, and simply fingernails. Some with dry skin should avoid exfoliants which include a significant portion of pumice or crushed volcanic rock. Here we got to know that mechanical exfoliation includes such things which can harm our skin with irregular use. Here is a question: is physical or chemical exfoliation best? So the answer is, since chemical exfoliants do not involve rubbing the skin, they are generally softer than many physical exfoliants. Hydroxy acids such as salicylic and glycolic acids have the ability to penetrate the skin for deeper exfoliation. So, chemical exfoliation is best for the skin. Here is composition. First of all, a face and body scrub composition comprises 6.0 to 7.0% by weight of composition soybean oil, 0.1 to 0.3% by composition fragrance, 0.0 to 0.2% by weight of composition colorant, 0.2 to 0.4% by weight of composition tea tree oil, 91.0 to 93.0% by weight of composition exfoliant. Here are advantages of body and face scrubbing. First of all, regeneration of the skin. Regular scrubbing causes the elimination of dead skin cells, dirt, and impurities from your skin. Your skin feels rejuvenated and fresh as it also unclogs your pores. Secondly, deals with the flaky skin. Flaky skin arises as a result of deposition of dead skin cells and also imparts dry patches over time. So scrubbing will also help you to get rid of flaky skin. Removes dead skin. Since scrubbing is an exfoliation process, the beads or the granules of the scrub upon cleansing and massaging removes the dead cells of the skin. Removal of the dead skin assists in repair of skin as well. Fourth, it imparts glow to the skin. Dead skin cells impart dullness to your skin, so scrubbing your face and body regularly gives it a nice glow and adds brightness to it as well. Fifth, removes scar. Every ingredient in your scrub formulation has their own property. Therefore, applying scrub rich in vitamin E and C helps in lightening of the scars and dark patches over time. Next, it's smooth and soft skin. Skin gets soft and smooth texture post scrubbing, and this is because impurities are cleansed deeply from the skin. Suntal removal. Regular scrubbing of the skin and body assists in removing tanning caused due to the harmful rays of the sun. Active ingredients like lemon, tomato, curd in the scrubs are great in dealing with suntan. It increases blood circulation. Face and body scrubs usually have granules and beads that gently cleanse and scrub your face. The gentle massage offered during scrubbing improve your blood circulation also. Next, here are some disadvantages of scrubbing. Hard scrubbing motion and hard scrubbing chemical may cause skin irritation including redness, inflammation. If you have a sensitive skin, one can also have allergic reaction to the chemical present in the synthetic scrubs as well. Secondly, over-scrubbing can result in open pores which are exposed to pollution and UV rays at the same time. It also leaves your skin more prone to infection and tanning. Proper moisturizing post scrubbing leaves your pore open and the dirt settle on them easily. This makes your skin more prone to acne due to bacterial growth in the dirt. And also, it leaves your skin dry. Thank you.